Hi guys, welcome to Phone Tag. Sony has announced new smartphone Sony Xperia 1. Let's start the specifications. This smartphone comes with 8 megapixel XMOR RS front camera and you will get a 6.5-inch 4K OLED display. It has 12 megapixel triple rear camera as well as waterproof and dust proof, and you will get a fingerprint sensor and you will get dual SIM option in this smartphone. This smartphone comes with 2.8 GHz 16-bit octa-core processor and you will get Snapdragon 855 chipset, and you will get a 6GB RAM and 2 option storage 64 and 128 GB. Let's talk about the battery. It has 3330 mAh non-load battery with fast battery charging, USB power delivery 2.0, so also wireless charging. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new videos.